And today, President Biden addressed a monumental challenge that his administration faces, and that is fighting the coronavirus pandemic.
We're entering what may be the toughest and deadliest period of the virus. We must set aside politics and finally face this pandemic as one nation.
Just after taking office, the new president signed an executive order requiring masks be worn on all federal property. The new president has also made it very clear that he wants to get 100 million Americans vaccinated during his first 100 days in office. Today, NBC4's Kim Tobin spoke with healthcare workers and what they're hoping to see now from the new administration.
Hope.
Joe Biden sworn in as the 46th president of the United States as the pandemic rages on.
It's taken as many lives in 1 year as America lost in all of World War II.
Some medication. Pharmacy sends us medication.
ICU nurse Christian Diance, who works with COVID patients at Providence Holy Cross Medical Center in Mission Hills, just wrapped up a 12-hour shift and got home in time to watch the ceremony.
I guess the right word would be hopeful.
As he's working overtime and their ICU capacity has been stretched thin, he says the tone and validation coming from the new administration is crucial.
And we're getting tired of people downplaying, what the reality is, and if people are sick and people are dying, and this isn't just like the flu and this, those ideas that were perpetuated over the last, year and a half.
The Weissman family has 4 doctors in their household, and they've recently all received their vaccines. Dr. Boris Weissman and his mom, Dr. Sophia Weissman, run a family practice in Woodland Hills and watched part of the inauguration in between patients.
For you guys watching, I know you had a moment to kind of take a look. What was your general impression so far?
It's not going to be a hallelujah moment. It's going to be one step at a time, that with hard work and time that things will get better.
And they say a vaccine distribution plan and clear communication from federal and local leaders about who can get vaccinated and when will be key.
I hope that so many people who are thinking that this is nothing will comprehend that this affected so many lives.
Dr. Weissman's brother, who was also working his normal shift today, took time out to talk to us after watching the speech.
I really hope that people start to sort of embrace a lot of the sacrifices that others have made for them. And regardless of your political affiliation, I think that, especially your healthcare workers and your teachers, your essential workers, are really just trying to get through their day to provide a service for people.
A new chapter in Washington, D.C. as healthcare workers stay hopeful and suit up for their next shift as they continue their fight against COVID-19. Kim Tobin, NBC4 News.